Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my MET Foundations of Health videos where I am teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. In this video, I will be discussing our purification program. Anytime I have a new patient or client do the 21-day purification program, I get excited. I'm excited to see the changes that they can achieve in such a short time as just 21 days. Our program is enjoyable. You will not be hungry on this program, and therefore it's a program that is sustainable for life. We are bombarded with toxins daily. These toxins come from things like cosmetics, metals, pollution, bug spray, weed killer, food chemicals, medications, lotions, fillings, cleaning products, vaccines, air, water, and much more. Studies have shown 200 or more toxins in umbilical cord blood. Another study found weed killer toxins in breast milk, while another study found 100% of urine samples taken of college students all had weed killer toxin in them. So clearly we are being exposed to things that generations before us were not. This is why I do recommend every one of our clients do a 21-day purification program at least once per year. This will help with cravings, reduced inflammation, hormones, and so much more. Through our coaching program, this is where we can really sit down with a person and teach them how to cook, what to eat, and how to plan. Remember, having no plan is actually having a plan for failure. Our goal is to switch you from the standard American diet of fake food to real whole food. Our program is basically clean eating, shakes, and supplements, all designed to help you mobilize stored toxins and excrete them. Remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. How are you moving? How are you eating? And how are you thinking? This can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.